The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is expected to feature a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels, offering stunning visuals with vibrant colors and smooth refresh rates. It will be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, ensuring fast performance and ample space for apps, photos, and media. The device is anticipated to come with a versatile triple-camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and phase detection autofocus, PDAF, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultrawide lens. This will allow users to capture high-quality photos and videos in a variety of settings. The S25 Plus will likely have a 4,900 mAh battery, supporting fast charging up to 45W, along with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, ensuring convenience for users on the go. Running on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 7, the device will offer an intuitive interface, advanced AI-driven features, and enhanced security. With all these powerful specifications, the Galaxy S25 Plus is poised to deliver an exceptional user experience, blending cutting-edge technology with sleek design.